think we can start now. So we haven't had class for a very long time. So I believe the first class after I think it's almost a month ago. And yeah. So I have to look back at what we have done so far and then see how much more we got to do. But in the meantime, have you guys made any progress with the games that you have?
Still working on the check and destroy feature.
Ah,
haven't done too much progress, to be honest.
okay. Uh, can you guys share your progress so far? Can we start with Arfan first? Can you show what you have done so far?
Sure. Although gameplay wise, it's not all that different from last time we saw. Currently I'm working on the check code right now. Here are the variables I've added. I've added this thing to add alongside the code here so that it will run code at the end of the long string. So if I have anything I want to do in a single tick, I can just do it here. Again, there isn't a whole lot of things right now that I can properly do. Gameplay wise, it's still the same thing. If you expect you saw last time. A bit of code will just be once I move the object, or specifically this part curves, switch this on, then again, if switch is on, then check will be turned on, and why I put it in game is because it's at the top in parity. So this code starts first, and then it'll go down throughout the food items. Then the last action, the checking will then equal to false if things work well. That's my plan for now. As for food and the code I've been making is just like checking, just making sure everything is properly.
What is the last action to what's the purpose of the last action? No?
It's to run code at the final end bit of the tick. So you know how code or parent nodes will have a chain. The top one goes first and it goes to the bottom and stuff. There is no last action in the game initially. It is loaded in right after all the cookies or all the stuff's been loaded in for these columns and rows file. Right here, preload scene last action. So this will be at the very bottom of the list. And because it's at the very bottom, I can run final code or the last action needed for that tick, such as disabling checking once the tick is done, so it doesn't have to repeat up to go through another row. With this, I can also make sure all the individual food makes it all the individual food runs its code first for disabling the variable that it needs, like the destroying function or the destroying variable. this is on, then it will just check its various IDs and whatnot for these pieces. And if its ID in either rows or columns, yeah, these IDs will just be incremented by one with integers, and then those will check each of these individual arrays at their index. So if that particular index is 3 or higher, then it will be marked to destroy. And once it's marked to be destroyed, then it will, once this variable switches on, it will then start turning them all into frame 0, which is just a plate. Yeah, frame 0 is just a plate. We'll turn them all into frame 0 and grant a score, which I'm planning to make the score multipliable or something. Just a multiplier is increased every time a single food item is destroyed. Once that's done, then I need to make the placement code. I've already made this variable right here, which within the game's ready function will actually not in the ready function. I believe it's in the game, the food function or food node. Yep, top row. If food ID 1, which is the rows, equals 1, so the top row, then it will be marked as a top row item. I can show you in game actually because I have these are the frame data for all the rows. And if I switch any of the top row thing, it will switch that particular piece. Why I have the top row frame data is right here is so that once or when placement is occurring, the top row will be able to continuously randomly be assigned a frame, but the bottom rows will be collected. And since it goes like along like this, the lowest row that does not have a food item will collect from the top row and go to the bottom and stuff. I still need to make code to be able to detect that. Yeah, something like that. That's my plan, at least. It's very complicated and probably not necessary, but hey, I learned how to make two-dimensional arrays, so that's neat.
Okay. Long as be able to be ambitious. You can try to go towards that goal.
Okay.
How about Aisha? You working on it visually? Can you share what you have done?
Sorry. It's just stuff. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. It's not I don't know if I've shown it before actually. It's just, the usual stuff. I was actually working on new visuals for it because I had a new idea, but I don't really have anything else to add. I just like the visual aspect.
So it looks pretty
Okay.
cool.
Thank you. Yours looks way cooler. I'm not gonna lie. Yours looks so much better. Hold on. How do I stop sharing? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
A friend told me
Yeah.
there's a setting that is better for it's in project settings, I believe.
Wait, what?
Something
Project settings. Project
in
settings.
rendering or something.
Rendering. Oh, there's renderer. Oh, there's two things. Rendering. Yeah, actually I've been doing pixel art, right? But the pixels always seem to get more pixelated somehow, like in a bad quality way. So maybe that could help. Whatever this
Somewhere.
is.
I don't know where anymore. Need to
Yeah, I
go
don't
ask
know.
them again.
Maybe I will just fix the canvas setting. Okay, that was mine. Thank you.
That's good. That's good. All right. Um, I don't remember what the interview is actually for better pixel art input, but I don't remember which one is it. Oh well, never mind. Okay, so we're going to continue a bit more on the next. Okay, so basically, I was because I have actually haven't seen this code for quite a while, so I was looking back at the game. All right, so there's a few improvements that I would like to do before we go to all of the small items. Okay, one of the improvement is okay. One is that there's no way to fail, right? It doesn't have any kind of timer or any kind of limit of how many turns you can take and things like that. Okay, so that is one aspect of the game that is not yet there. Another aspect is the fact that I was playing this for a while right now, and like for example, we don't know what is the target. We know that currently it is we know how much score we have, and it's suddenly level complete. So we don't know exactly how much actually we have to work toward. We don't know what level we are currently on. So those are the kind of things that I want to add first before, and then we'll go to the more advanced things. Okay, so let's do the simple ones first, right?
Um, before 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 we get started on that, can I show you the setting
Yeah.
that's my friend told me about? I
Okay.
just found it out. Yeah. This way. Thank you. Go to project settings, renders, texturing, and set this to news, and that's it.
So default filter text filter to
Default texture
nearest.
filter nearest. Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of linears, put it on nearest, and then it'll it'll actually be proper pixels.
And then you have to re-import. Do the re-import, right?
No, I can put it on linear, and you will see the Grayson and more pixelated look over there. And I can turn it back to nearest, and then it will look like this. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's get this thing started then. Right. So the first thing that I want to add is like we're currently on which level, right? Okay, so we have the HUD here. Here we can add more to the HUD. So we're going to add another. We're going to make it simple. We're just going to add another label. And I'm just going to call this level. Right. We can increase the font size. Good. Okay, we have the level there. So for us to display what level we are currently on, then we go back to our game and source code for the game. The level. Wow, I haven't seen it for so long. I don't remember anything. Then global player level. Score assigning the target score of global player level. Then you have the target score. Okay. Okay. Then have the global player level here. We change to one level. Okay, so we'll have the global player level plus one, and then we do back to the three. Okay, we go back to the one thing. So we go back over here. Right. Wow, another time. Okay. Okay. You will have some ball ground. Ball ground. Ball ground. Okay. So I think we can use the global here. Right. So in the HUD source code where we do the process, we update the score over there. I think we can also update the level tag over there because since our current level is actually a global uh, global variable. Okay. Well, then have the level. So that should display our current level. Oh, sorry. Let's just change it into a string. Okay, let's look over the. Okay, number one. There you go. So now that's working. Let's choose. Then we go to level 2. Then harder than expected. Okay, let's complete level 2. Okay, so that's not that is already working lah. Right. So the next item is we don't know what is our current target. Okay, we don't know what is our current target. So I want to add over here the current target for the next. Lokman, you lost. Oh, okay. Right. So I wait for you guys to add the name first lah. Lokman, the first thing you need to do, you need to update your HUD. You can go down here to the file system. You can go to HUD.steam. Okay, that will open the HUD. Okay, the HUD is where you have your score. Now we're going to add what is your current level. Okay, so to add that, you just right click on the HUD, you add child node, you add a new label. Okay, and that label just now I renamed to level. I do the HUD and level label, but I think I need something. Yeah. Okay. So once you have the label, and then you got to update the score, sorry, level inside the process. So you go to the source code, you can add level.text equals to level plus string global.player level. Understand, Lokman? Yeah, that should be it.
Yeah, but I need some time to copy the.
Okay. Salahuddin, how are you? You understand what you need to do?
No, no,
Yeah?
no.
You don't know?
I know.
Okay. Okay. Kakak, how about you? What? I can't hear you.
You're not that loud.
I'm not that loud.
Yeah,
Oh,
this volume is good. Before this, it wasn't that loud.
okay. All right. Tell me what you've done, or if you have any problems. All right. Let me share screen. You forgot the str. Level.txt equals to level plus str global player level. No. str before the global player level. Yeah. Yeah, that is the function to change the player level into a string. I need help. Can share. Who's sharing first? Fatima or Lokman? Okay. That one you forgot to close the quotation mark. Level and then the close quotation mark. Yeah. Okay. That one's global. You misspell global. Global. Glo. Yeah. You need to delete past though. And your source code, the first line to pass, so you need to delete pass because if then it won't run the function. It will just pass everything else. Not mine. How about you?
Can I share now?
Yeah.
When I press play, it's come to here.
Let me get in there. Global player level. Let's see what is inside your global.gd. Player underscore level. You use player underscore level. So go back to your HUD just now. Yeah, player underscore level.
This.
Right?
I can't go to the next scene.
You can't go to the next scene.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. What is your source code for your one level? That one because when you want the level, you go back to the same scene. You got to
Where?
go to line 11. You got to go back to your main game scene, which is FoodCrush. FoodCrush.tstn.
Rest.
FoodCrush.
Double dot. Oh.
Ah, yeah,
Like this.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Good job. How about the rest? Palodin, how are you?
Fine, fine.
You got it working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So the next thing is going to be very simple. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna add so that we can actually see a target. Okay. So right now we don't have a target, right? So what I want to do is zero. It should be 0/ what is the current target? Okay. And then we will see like how far we need, how much more we need to score, right? Okay. So it's very easy. It's basically you just have to change at the HUD here the score val and then plus with the current target. Okay. So the current target we don't have it in a global space. Okay. We have it inside the game scene here. Okay, target score. So and we also update the score using just yeah. So we update the score through the score value. Okay, so we update the score through the score value. So what we're going to do is that we're going to add another target for the target value, right? And so we're going to add another variable for the target value. So at the HUD source code, we're going to add another one here. We'll call it target value. Okay. And then we're going to add at the score 9, right? So we're going to add a slash okay, and a plus what is the string of the target value. Okay, so that one will have so we need to also pass the target value to this output lah, right? So we can go back to our game scene. Okay, so when we update the score, we also update the target value here. So target value equals to, okay, our current target is actually here, which is target score global player level -1. So we can just add that here. Okay, so once we have added that, then we should be able to see the current target. So 0 or 50, so we need to score 50 points. So 40 or 50, so 1. Next, now we need to score 100. So it becomes more, I think, more enjoyable because you know how much more you need. But just now I was playing like it's been a few minutes already. I'm not winning, okay. So try adding that first. So at the HUD source code, make sure you add the variable, new variable, target value, and you update on how you display the score. Okay. And then at the game scene, you add after the score variable, you add also the target value, how you're going to update the target value. Okay. So any problems, you guys tell me, and I'll tell me you're done.
Can I see the game, the HUD, the game
Game script. Yeah,
game script?
yeah, over here. All right. How about the rest? Sorry. Oh, okay. Right, I'm going back to the hut. All right.
Working too. Oh hey. Mine's broken. See some.
Okay, try it now. Why is the level 0? Let's see back your source code, your game source code. Yeah, look at the very top. Your target score at the very top. Target score is correct, 150. Okay, that's correct. Can you scroll down? Scroll down some more. Target 1. Wait. Scroll up. Okay. What? I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Oh, yeah, everything's correct. Everything is correct. Can you try to play again? Can you try to go to the next level? Can you play until you go to the next level? Play until you go to the next level. Yes? Oh, that's weird. Ya, kena main dulu bawah dia. That is weird. It'll be that way. Can you go back to your HUD? Yeah. Why is your score got a source code? Can you click on that piece of paper beside your score node? Yeah, I don't know. Why it has it? I think better remove this one. Just right click and attach. Right click over here. Right click. Hello? Yeah, right click, right click. Right click. Can you right click? No, you're using the trackpad, but use the right mouse button. Cannot. But it shouldn't be a problem, really. Can you go back to your HUD?
I just realized something silly. Wait, I want to show you.
Okay.
Okay, so both of the things are over here because if I don't, and then I put it over here, then hold on. Then it doesn't show up. So I have to put it on the other side.
That one you can adjust at your game scene.
I just have my what?
At the game scene. Yeah,
Am I-
over there. Yeah.
Have I
Okay, you
been
scroll
doing wrong?
down. No.
What?
You go back to the 2D. Just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
That.
I didn't realize this was a thing. Oh, gasp. Blasphemy. Oh, wait. Does that fix it? Oh, no.
Why?
No,
But still not updated.
exactly. Did not do nothing.
Or you can add it manually, maybe.
What?
Wait. You can add the target manually. Hold on. Oh, mine is the same too. Oh, okay. Right, guys. Yeah. Okay, stop for a while.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, I just realized that even mine is the same. Just when you start playing the game, Okay, it's also 0, 0. When you start having a score, and then after that it will update. So actually, the simple fix is that when you start the game scene, you immediately update the HUD. So you can update it here. You can copy this. Make sure update it when you start it. So just under the ready. Okay, so that should change it so that it will immediately show the target. Okay. Anybody else have any problems? Norman, you got an error?
Yes.
Okay, you want to show your screen?
This one.
You didn't close the round bracket. After target val, there's a round
This
bracket
one.
close. No, that one is the opening. You didn't close it.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So the same thing. Your target initially was 0. You need to put the target in the ready function in the game scene.
Ready.
Yeah. So just now, wait, scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, so scroll up. There. Oh, scroll down. Yeah, copy the line 113, you know. Yeah, copy that. And then we go up to the ready function. Yeah, there. You paste it outside of the for, outside. No, not inside that. It needs to be outside of the for.
Here.
No, under the ready function, under line 43. And line 43, enter. Okay, paste. Paste.
Sekejap.
You didn't copy it.
This.
Hmm. There you go. Okay. All right. Does anybody else have any problems? Salahuddin, how are you? So everything is working, no error. Good. Right. So basically our time is up for today, this week. So our target next week, hopefully we're going to add a bit more challenge to the game by having some sort of limitation. Either we're going to have how many turns within that level you can play, or maybe a limitation of how long you need to reach the target. Okay, so that there is a sense of you are able to fail lah. Okay, but there's a lot of steps involved, and I think we can start it next week. All right. So I think that's all for this week. Thank you guys for your time, and try to experiment with your source code lah. Make it
Okay.
change.
Thank
changes
you.
also.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right. Welcome.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye-bye.
Wassalamualaikum.
Bye-bye. Salam.
Thank you.